Here's the problem. The manufacturing industry has been disrupted. Agility and an ability to adapt underpins success when it comes to things like global competition, speed to market, Industry 4.0, and a growing demand for customization. But the way you win new business has been disrupted too. Disrupted by significant change in the way people buy. You know this. As a manufacturer, you were likely a sales-led operation until recently. And even if you had a marketing function, it was probably seen by some as little more than the coloring in department. So conventional sales and marketing don't work like they used to. Cold calling, print advertising, buying lists, these and other practices like them get blocked or simply ignored today. And nobody wants to talk with your sales team, not before they're in possession of the facts. Put simply, power has shifted from the seller to the buyer. Even where you rely on reseller channels, research shows that nearly 90% of B2B buyers begin their search for products and services online. That's going to be a problem if they're not finding you when they're searching. So it's not just operations that have to adapt. Actually, you have to redefine your entire route to market. So what can you do about it? An inbound approach to sales and marketing focuses on creating relevant, high-quality content that pulls people to your company, attracting traffic that you convert to leads and close to sales over time. So it's perfect for the longer sales cycles often associated with manufacturing. By way of illustration, along the top of this infographic there are 4 stages to getting visitors, leads, customers, and promoters. Along the bottom are the tools or tactics to accomplish this. Developing new strategies that respond to the way people research and buy is unavoidable. So let's take a top-level view at an inbound strategy. First, you need to establish specific, measurable, and attainable goals. These goals inform the tactics you will need to achieve them. After all, without a clear destination, it can be hard to map a meaningful route. Second, in order to create content that will be truly meaningful to your prospects, you need to develop buyer personas, detailed representations of your target customers. And you also need to map the buyer's journey, where they spend time online, and much more. You need to focus your messaging on what's important to them, not on your features and benefits. Your content needs to respond to a prospect's particular context. This will help you stand out from the eternal sameness of traditional B2B marketing. So with goals in place and a good understanding of your buyers, you can determine the right sales and marketing tactics and the level of application needed to achieve your aims. If, for example, you need to generate £3 million of new revenue in the coming period, you can work back from that target to establish the best path to achieving it. By understanding current metrics like average sales value, close rate, number of leads generated, and your website traffic, you can determine how increases in each of those areas would impact revenue. Here are a few scenarios to help illustrate what I mean. If you grow site traffic, as in scenario 1 here, you could generate an additional $2.4 million in revenue. A good result, but still short of your £3 million target. Similar results could be achieved by focusing instead on improving the performance of each conversion stage. However, if you improve both the site traffic and the conversion rates, the cumulative effect results in a significantly better outcome. The power of this strategic inbound approach lies in the systematic focus on each stage of the buyer's journey. In the example I've outlined, the benefit of concentrating on the entire process is clear, I hope. Interested in finding out more? We've published an ebook on inbound marketing for manufacturing companies, and you can download it right here.